So we're going to solve x squared plus 12x plus 32 equals 0 by completing the square. In order to do this, we start by moving anything without an x to the right side of our equation and leaving everything with an x on the left. So we are left with x squared plus 12x equals negative 32. Now, we're taught that we take x squared plus 12x, and we've got to figure out the number right here that is going to complete the square, and we set this equal to negative 32 plus whatever number we're going to use to complete the square. We complete the square using the formula b over 2 squared. So in this case, we're taking b, which is our 12 over 2 squared equals, let's see here, 12 divided by 2 is 6, squared is 36. Now in our little boxes here, we're going to add our 36, which gives us x plus 12x, x squared, plus 12x plus 32 equals 4. Now, if our formula worked out correctly, we know this is a perfect square. The perfect square that it is x squared plus 6, just plain x plus 6 equals 4, otherwise known as x plus 6 squared equals 4. Now we square root the whole thing, leaving us with x plus 6 equals plus or minus 4. When we square root, we have to include that plus or minus because either case could be the actual conclusion of the square. So, it's a 2. So now we set up our two cases. X plus 6 equals positive 2. X plus 6 equals negative 2. Now we just plug and chug. Minus 6, x equals negative 4 is our one solution. And then we have minus 6 is x equals negative 8 as our other solution. So x equals negative 4, negative 8. We could check by plugging this back into this equation. So negative 4 squared is going to be 16 plus 12 times a negative 4 is negative 48 plus 32 would come out to a 0. The same would be the case for our negative 8.